In this tutorial, you are going to learn how to get a copy of the price posting bulk upload template with manufacturer, product name, and trade name already completed. First, log into the system. Go to Products, click it. Go to Filter, click it. Go to Manufacturer. You can type in or use the drop-down menu to select the manufacturer you want included in your template. You can select more than one manufacturer. Once you have all the manufacturers selected, go to the right and click Apply. We need to check the boxes next to all the beer we would like included in the template. You can check the boxes individually, or you can select the top box. That'll select all the boxes on the page. If you have more than one page, click Select All. Go to Export for Price Posting, click it. You can save the file or you can open the file. To open it, click OK. You now have a copy of the price posting bulk upload template that already includes manufacturer, trade name, and product name. Please see our other tutorials on how to use the online beer price posting system.